Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create neon photo animation. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we will create a new composition. Change the time to 10 seconds. First, we will create a background layer with the help of solid. And then we need to add a light. I will use it solid and use gradient ramp effect. Changing the position of this ramp. And changing into a radial ramp, decreasing its opacity to 40%. So our color is added. Now I will import an image, and please note that the image that you will import should have transparent background, so PNG image will be good. So I have imported my image. I will create a new composition to add my image in it. And I will add my image to it, increasing the size of the image. I think it is good. I will place this image placeholder in main composition, and I will create a new solid and name it as ramp. Now I will place the effect of gradient ramp on this solid. Changing the track matte to Luma matte. Now we will use a neon style ring, and for that purpose we will use Saber effect. So creating a new composition in which that neon ring will be placed. Creating a new solid. And adding the Saber effect. Now I will create a mask using pen tool. Now I will make some changes in this Saber effect panel. Go to customize core and change it to mask layer and decrease this core size a little bit, and go to render settings and set it to transparent. So you can see it has background transparency. Now I will add this neon ring to our main composition. One thing we left, we can change this color. Now I will place this image above this neon ring again, and I will create a mask. I will make some changes in the feather of the mask. Okay, good. Now I need to add a solid. Now I will apply the gradient ramp. on this color solid. Now I will duplicate this image placeholder and place it above the color and change the track matte of the color to alpha and change its mode to screen mode. I will decrease the opacity to somewhat this. So now you can see that neon style is appeared on our photo. Now it's time to animate this ring and the mask. Now I will add a shadow. For shadow, I will create a solid, rename it as shadow, and I will apply the tint effect. Change this color to red and apply a mask on it. Now I will duplicate it and rename it as glow and change its mode to add. So now our layers are complete and now I need to animate this ring and the mask, but before that I will increase the size of this character because the ring is bit big as compared to this character. So now you can see the image is in proportion with this neon ring. For animating the ring, I will create a new null and I will parent this neon ring, shadow and glow to that null, and we will change the position. First we will make it go on the top and then we will make it go to the bottom. But we will also need to change these masks. So we'll create a mask path and I will move this path above this and also change the mask path above this. So you can see these are now at the same place. And now I will make it go down. So now you can see that it is animated, but I will change some position like this and this. Now I will make them easy ease by pressing F9. Let's have a preview. It's look good. It's looking very good. Now I will go back to neon ring and I will increase the core size a bit to check. Okay. So I will add some name to the character here. For that I will create a new solid and decrease its opacity. I will add a mask. I will add feather I will add a text. And name it as Robocop. Increase the font size. Change the font name to Antonio. Now I will create a new solid and I will name it as Saber text. I will apply the Saber to this. I will change it to thin and I will customize the core and add as text layer and change to Robocop. Change the color to red something and I will change the render setting to transparent. I will decrease its intensity. Center align this text. So it's look good. Now I will animate this text by tweaking the opacity. So you can see our text is animated and also our photo animation with neon style is also animated. So you can tweak settings about the intensity of the glow, change the text, color, size of the object and image, and you can also change the shape size of the neon ring to rectangle, to circle, oval, whatever you want. I hope that this tutorial will be helpful for you. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.